to the Marlene Saunders show, where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. Leave me a like and leave me a comment in the comment section below so I can find out what you thought about this commentary. Our topic is get a life. Now, we all know the ones that dip in other people's business. But I just want to ask you all, why do you think people dip in other people's business and why people won't get a life? They're always involved in somebody else's business and what they're doing, and they want to tell you how to control your life and what you should be doing with your time, with your money, with whatever it is that you want to do. So here is my 5 points about why people don't get a life. Number 1, they're jealous. They're jealous of you. They're jealous of your intellect, some of the things that you have. They just have no life. They have no life. And a lot of times they have no filter. So they always try to do something to get a job because some people have very little imagination. Very little imagination. So they want to go back and forth with you, and they want to take out all of their pain, all of their anger on you. And it's not right. It's not fair. And I understand that, you can't always engage with people, but sometimes you got to put people in their place and tell them, I don't have to put up with it. I don't have to tell you my business. That's none of yours, and you need to go and tend to yours. Because most of the time, the people who want to tell you what you should do with your life, that's the very thing that they need to apply to themselves. Haven't you seen that in real life, chat family? Everybody who wants to tell you what to do, their life is messed up. They need to get into their own business, get into their own life, find something to do and stay out of yours. So after jealousy, it could be just a personal conflict, like your personality maybe doesn't vibe well with yours. And especially if you're a person who is high vibrational and you got things going on and you have a wonderful life and you're happy, these people who won't get a life, they don't like to see other people happy because they're miserable. They are miserable individuals. They haven't done anything that they want to do with their life, so they get involved in yours. Another point is people don't get a life because they're lazy. Some people are just lazy. They're not going to do anything with their life. The way that you have seen them 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago, and they're still doing the same thing. Who knows some lazy people? Let me know in the comment section. Another reason why people don't get a life is because they have no goals. A lot of people don't even know what a goal is, how to accomplish a goal. And if people would just get into their own business and think about getting a goal, having a plan for their life, doing some things that they enjoy, they wouldn't have time to be in yours. So these people, they have no goals at all. They're not driven. They're not driven to success. They are just comfortable in the ordinary, and they don't understand how you just keep doing things one after the other and you're meeting with success. But what people don't know, these nosy people, these people who are involved in your business gossiping about you, what they don't understand is they don't see all the times that you failed. They don't see all of your backstory. They don't know the things that you've overcome or how long you've been working on certain things. And another thing that people don't understand when they're so into your business, that certain things is a God thing. People don't understand that when God has a plan for you and he has a purpose for you to accomplish and do certain things, it's already done. So it doesn't matter how they try to come and sabotage and backbite and do this and that and try to get people at odds with you, it will never be successful. And it's not your fault that they're not driven. It's just what it is. And you got to recognize it, that they're not driven to any success. You just keep on being successful in your own right. Another reason why people won't get a life is that they have not dealt with their past, their skeletons in the closet. Yes, all of the things that, yeah, it's very uncomfortable to talk about things that may have hurt you or harmed you or traumas. None of that is easy. Not for anybody. Miserable people try to make you feel miserable. They get a rise out of it. They like to get the back and forth. They want to start something. They want to be messy. That's what they want. Don't give them what they want. Yeah, I understand sometimes you got to put them in their place, but also sometimes it's just best to not engage, especially with people who are simple-minded. They're not going to get it. They're not on your level. So just leave them alone and let them be in their own simple-minded world. They're drama kings or queens. It's some people, have you ever seen them? And I know that some drama kings and queens. They're always involved in something. They're always blaming everybody, but they're the starter. They're the starter of all of those problems. They make problems for other people and themselves. And what they want is people to feel sorry for them when they are the issue. If you want your life to be wonderful, happy, you got to work and fix yourself. That's nobody's job but yours. But it's up to us who we're going to engage with, what we're going to listen to. You just keep doing you and being you. You have just tuned into the Marlene Saunders Show, where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, and comment in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear what you all have to say. Do you know some people who won't get a life? Let me know that. And I will see you on the next video or live stream.
Be encouraged, be inspired, be yourself, you will survive.